Hello, I have made this video to remove the misunderstandings regarding dilation, especially when the seed point or the seed element in the structuring element is 0. Here let us consider the example where the image X is like this. It has ones over here, and the structuring element B has this form, that is 101, and this is the seed point. As we know, when there are odd numbers of columns, or what if there is a center element available, so that is the seed point. We see the seed point is 0. So what will happen when you dilate X with B? Here is the result. How does it come? The basic thing is you put the seed point on each and every pixel of the image. So first this seed point will come over here. Whenever a seed point coincides with 1, here the importance is of 1 and only 1. Whenever the seed point coincides with a 1, that whole neighbor of 1 will get changed or replaced by the structuring element. So when this thing coincides with 1, so we can see 0, this whole thing will come over here. Here there is nothing. So what will happen is the seed point will coincide with this. In this case, at the output, at that point, the whole structuring element will be replaced. That is what is dilation. Now we can see over here there is a 0. That is when the structuring point, the seed point will be placed over here as this. When this 0 will coincide with 0, this one with 1, and this one with 0. I'm sorry. At that time there will be no change. You don't consider zeros in dilation. You just have to see the ones in the image. Then next, when you will put the structuring element like this, that is this 0 will coincide with this 1. At that point you see the seed point is coinciding with a 1. Just replace these elements by the structuring element. So you get 101 over here. This is an extra row that is added actually. Extra column that is added on both the sides. That is because of this and this element, because this element generates a new column. So actually it is like this. So when you put this element over here, you can see the seed point coincides with 1, and hence there is 101. This is very important when you look at dilation. Again, when this will coincide over here, so this will become 101. So all these ones are basically replaced by the structuring element, and they look like 101, 101, 101. In the previous example where we have seen that this was 1 in my opening closing video, here this was 1, so these all would be 111, 111, 111. So that is it. You just have to replace all the ones by the structuring element. That is dilation. Thank you.